Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, you're heading to college soon, or maybe you're already there, and you're thinking about diving into the world of programming. Today, we're diving into the top 5 programming languages you should learn as a college student in 2025. We're talking about the languages that are in high demand, super versatile, and will set you up for a killer career in tech. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your skill set, these languages will set you up for success. Let's get right into it. First up, we have Python. It's like the Swiss Army knife of programming languages, crazy versatile and beginner-friendly. Seriously, the syntax is clean, straightforward, and easy to pick up even if you're coming in with zero coding experience. But don't let that fool you, Python is super powerful. We're talking about a language that's used by major tech companies like Google, Instagram, Spotify, the list goes on and on. Data science is a huge field right now, and Python is the go-to language for analyzing massive datasets, building machine learning models, and all that cool AI stuff. Then there's web development. Python frameworks like Django and Flask make it super efficient to build the back end of websites and web applications. Python is also amazing for automation. Imagine automating those boring, repetitive tasks and freeing up your time for more interesting things. Plus, the Python community is massive and incredibly supportive. Next up, we've got JavaScript, the undisputed king of the web. It's the language that brings websites to life, adding interactivity, animations, and all those dynamic elements that make websites pop. Think about all the cool stuff you see on websites, things like interactive maps, animated graphics, those smooth scrolling effects, that's all JavaScript. And the best part? It runs directly in your web browser so you can see the results of your code instantly. With the rise of Node.js, JavaScript has become a powerhouse for server-side development as well. That means you can build entire web applications using just one language. Pretty cool, right? Plus, like Python, JavaScript has a vibrant and supportive community, so you'll never be short of resources or help when you need it. Moving on, we have Java, a language that's been around for ages and is still going strong. Java is known for its stability, reliability, and scalability, which is why it's a favorite in the world of enterprise applications. Think large-scale systems, financial applications, things that need to handle massive amounts of data. That's where Java shines. It's also the language behind millions of Android apps. So, if you've ever dreamt of building your own mobile apps, Java is an excellent language to have in your toolkit. Java might have a steeper learning curve compared to Python or JavaScript, but trust me, it's worth the effort. The concepts you learn in Java, like object-oriented programming, are fundamental to software development and will serve you well no matter what language you choose to specialize in down the line. Plus, with its strong performance and massive ecosystem of libraries and frameworks, Java is likely to remain a dominant force in the tech industry for years to come. Now, let's talk about C++. This is the language for those who crave speed, efficiency, and control. C++ is known for its performance, which is why it's the go-to language for applications where every millisecond counts. We're talking about things like game development, high-frequency trading, operating systems, anything that requires lightning-fast execution. C++ gives you fine-grained control over system hardware and memory management, which is essential for building these types of performance-critical applications. Now, C++ can be more challenging to learn than some of the other languages on this list. It's a lower-level language, which means you're dealing with more complex concepts and syntax, but the payoff is huge. Mastering C++ will give you a deep understanding of how software interacts with hardware, and that's a valuable skill set to have in your back pocket. Last but not least, we have Go, also known as Golang. Go is a relatively new language developed by Google, and it's quickly gaining popularity, especially in the world of cloud computing and back-end development. Go's syntax is clean and easy to read, which makes it a breeze to write and maintain code. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Go is incredibly powerful, especially when it comes to building scalable and concurrent systems. That's why companies like Google, Dropbox, and Uber are using Go to power their infrastructure. Go is also known for its fast compilation times and efficient garbage collection, which means your applications will run smoothly and efficiently. If you're looking to get into cloud computing, back-end development, or just want to learn a language that's on the rise, Go is definitely worth checking out. And there you have it, the top 5 programming languages to learn as a college student in 2025. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech content. Drop a comment below on which language you're most excited to learn. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you